This is a video about the Ikea, well, in American English this looks like Vrådal or Vrådal, but that's Swedish, so it's probably Vrådal, because there's a little thing on the top of the O. Anyway, on the top of the A, which converts it to an O sound, if I know my Swedish correctly. This is actually made in Sweden. You don't see that ever anymore. So this is probably from 1999, like it says. And it's an upper bunk bed. I'm going to show you really quickly. It's about a 2-minute video about the Ikea Vrådal. There it is. I am not the original owner, so I can't tell you how much it was new. I can tell you that I bought it in 2017 at a yard sale, and I don't remember how much I paid for it. It was probably, $40 or so. And I'm selling it for $60 on Craigslist in about an hour to a girl who says she's a broke student. So that's the history behind this. And here it is in summer of 2020. So I've had it for 3 years. The girl that I bought it from just had it for her, I guess, college dorm room or something. But it's good wood. That's what it looks like. If the label's right, it's made in 1999, made in Sweden. That's awesome. Scandinavia is great. The height is as follows. It's about 5'8" and 3/4" or 175 centimeters. That's about 69 inches high, but that's up to here. I don't know what the bottom is. And there's a little bit this thing here, which brings it up to almost 6 feet. It's like 5'11" and a half. Anyway, we're just going to have a look here up the ladder, what it looks like. Some of these things got to get straightened out. And there you are, the Ikea Vrådal. And I'm hoping this video helps you, because on such old things, there's oftentimes very little internet information out there. That's me on my back. That's what it looks like from the bottom. This is not a double bunk, it's just a single upper bunk to maximize your floor space, as you can see, like I've done. Okay folks, hope that helps you. The Ikea Vrådal.